Hi, kids. Let's learn some fun action words today. Action words tell us what we do, like running, jumping, clapping, or dancing. Are you ready? Let's start. 1. Run. Look, the boy is running fast. Run, run, run. 2. Walk. We walk. Slowly and carefully. Walk, walk, walk. Jump. Jump high like a rabbit. Jump, jump, jump. 4. Dance. Move your body to the music. Dance, dance, dance. 5. Clap. Let's clap our hands together. Clap, clap, clap. 6. Spin. Spin around like a top. Spin, spin, spin. 7. Hop. Hop on one foot like a frog. Hop, hop, hop. 8. Skip. Happily in the park. Skip, skip, skip. 9. Sit. Now sit down and take some rest. Sit, sit, sit. 10. Stand. Stand. Stand tall like a tree. Stand, stand, stand. 11. Smile. Show your happy face. Smile, smile, smile. 12. Wave. Wave your hands and say hello. Wave, wave, wave. 13. Sleep. To close your eyes and sleep. Sleep, sleep, sleep. 14. Wash. Wash your hands and stay clean. Wash, wash, wash. 15. Eat. Yum. Let's eat some healthy food. Eat, eat, eat. 16. Bath. Take a bath and feel fresh. Bath, bath, bath. 17. Hug. Give your friend a warm hug. Wave, hug, hug. Yay! Great job, kids, today. Keep practicing and use these words every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to